Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and very beautiful origami ring. The best part is that you don't need scissors or glue, just a square of paper. The size of this paper will depend on the size of your hand, so I recommend that you do a test and then adjust the final size as needed. For me, the ideal size is 10 by 10 centimeters, about 4 by 4 inches. Our first step is to fold the paper in half. We unfold it. Now fold the sides to the middle. Unfold this part as well. Now the paper is divided into 4 sections. For the next step, we will only divide the 2 middle sections. To do this, we can start by bringing the right side to the crease on the left, unfold, and then bring the left side to the crease on the right. Now we need to mark the middle of the height here on the left. To do this, bring the top side down, mark lightly on the side, and then undo. Now fold the top side to the mark we just made, and reinforce it very well. Unfold, fold this part in half, then bring this part down using the fold we made before, and keep following the same logic, folding this part down, overlapping one layer over another until the end of the paper. At the end, we have to reinforce these 3 lines here. We can start with the one on the left, then the one on the right, and finally the one in the middle. Okay, let's go to the other side. The next step is to fit one side into the other. For this, we'll open the right side a bit on this first layer, keep the left side closed, and fit it inside the right. After fitting the tip, we push one side into the other as much as possible. Now we can reinforce those other two lines we made earlier. At this point, our last step is to curve the bottom part, leaving the ring with a shape similar to this drawing here on the side. And with that, we have our ring finished. It has two sides, one that is closed and the other open. It is important that you put the ring on your finger from the closed side to avoid crushing it or undoing anything. But that's the idea. You just made a paper ring without using scissors or glue, just with origami techniques. I hope you liked this video. If so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.